Thank you for continuing on with math with me. We are now going to do some review. We are going to do some practice counting. So we are going to do number one. Number one is right here. It has a star in it. We are going to count these bears right here. So I am going to just put a little mark across the bear as we count. So let's first count these bears with letter A. So count with me out loud. Here we go. 1, 2. Good job. How many bears are there? 2. Good job. There are 2 bears. Now let's count how many are in B. 1, 2, 3. How many bears are on line B? 3. Good job. There are 3 bears. Now let's do C. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going a little higher. How many bears are there in line C? 4. Good job. There are 4 bears. Now let's do the last one, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bears are there? 5. Good job. Now I want to see which group, which line has 3 bears. So I need to figure out which one has 3 bears. So if I look here on A, I counted 1, 2. 2 bears. Is that 3 bears? No, so I'm going to cross that out. That's not 3 bears. Let's do B. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, how many bears are there? 3. Good job. There are 3 bears. And that is the one I am looking for. I'm looking for 3 bears. So I'm going to color in that B. I could even circle those bears too to show that I really know that that one shows 3 bears. So a good thing to do is to check to make sure none of the answers could be correct. So on here on C, I knew that there were 4 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that one's not correct. That one does not have 3 bears. And with D, let's count and make sure there's not 3 bears there as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 3 bears? No. So I'm going to cross that one out because I know that that one's not 3 bears either. So I know that I was correct, that letter B has the 3 bears. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit. And I need to erase all of this so it's out of our way. So now we see the number 2 in the apple. We see the number 2 in the apple. And right here we've got a box. And this box is divided into smaller boxes. And I'm going to use this to show how many soccer balls are here. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to count how many soccer balls. Let's count together. Here we go. 1. How many soccer balls are in that ball? Good. There's 1 soccer ball. So down here in this box, to show that I know that there is just 1 soccer ball, I'm going to color in this box. Just like that. So if I count how many boxes are colored, if I count 1, there's 1 box colored, and that matches the 1 soccer ball. Tomorrow, we're going to be doing some activities that will look very similar to this. We'll count some objects, and then we'll color in a box to match how many objects there are. We are done with our review today. Please watch the next video for a very fun counting activity we are going to do together.